Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change hairstyle and hair color of your player in the city. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is to just pause the game, then head over to my player tab. Right here we need to select the first option, appearance. Now here we need to head over to appearance tab. So for that use your R1 key or RB key. Then here we need to hit Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. Then select hair. Right here you can just choose the hairstyle. For the sake of this video I would love to go with this one. So since I want to change the hair color as well, so for that we again need to hit Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation in order to change the hair color. So right here you have several options, so just choose the color whichever you like. And if you want more customization, for that you need to go to the last color, then they'll give you more options. So right here you can just choose the color one. Right here they'll give you this kind of screen and you will able to change the hair color like this. Also if you want to go for team colors, here you have several options again. In the color too you'll able to change the texture of the color. Like if I select this one, okay, and what if we go for the primary color, something like this. Even in this color I'll able to make more changes, like by using the LT key, RT key or L2 key or R2 key I'll able to increase or decrease the brightness. So there are plenty of options available and you can just choose the color of your choice like that. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you can change hairstyle and hair color in NBA 2K26. To save these changes, just get back from this screen. You'll able to see this kind of pop-up. So just select the option save. And yeah, there you go, the hair color of the player is changed, and that's exactly how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.